Today we will prepare a miraculous face skin rejuvenating mask. A tablespoon of natural honey. Benefits of honey for skin: cleans the face from spots, smooths wrinkles, removes dead cells. Half a teaspoon of baby cream. Benefits of baby cream: nourishes the skin, moisturizes it, reduces wrinkles. A teaspoon of sugar. Benefits of sugar for skin: rejuvenates the skin, revitalizes dead cells, cleans and whitens skin pores. The benefits of a face mask: rejuvenates the skin, reduces wrinkles, cleans pores, improves skin color. Apply the mask to clean and dry skin and massage it with your fingers. Skin benefits of massage: improves blood circulation in the skin, cleans skin pores, helps to reduce wrinkles on the skin. Use the mask in the evening. After 15 minutes, wash off with warm and cold water. Use 4 times a week. If you have a very dry face, use every day. After the mask, don't forget to apply your face cream to make your skin beautiful and clear. If the video was useful for you, click like and subscribe to continue watching us.